Today I'm going to show you how to export contacts in Mailchimp step by step so you can quickly download your audience data when you need a backup, a spreadsheet, or records for your marketing workflow. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little confusing the first time. So I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign in to your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. After you're logged in, you'll land inside your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is the section where Mailchimp keeps your contacts, subscribers, and audience management tools. Once you're inside the audience section, look to the right side of the page and find the export option. Click Export to begin the contact export process. Mailchimp will then give you the option to export your audience data in a CSV format, so click Export CSV. This is the file type you'll usually want because it opens easily in Excel, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet tools. After you click Export CSV, Mailchimp may take a moment to prepare the file. Depending on how many contacts you have, this can take a little while, so give it a few seconds to finish processing. Once the export is ready, click View Export History. This lets you see the status of your export and access the completed file once Mailchimp finishes generating it. In the export history area, find the most recent export and click Download. Your contacts will then be downloaded to your computer as a CSV file. After that, you can open it in a spreadsheet program, save it for backup, or use it wherever you need your contact list. If you don't see the file right away, check your downloads folder and make sure the file completed successfully, and that's it. You've now exported your contacts in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is, and now you can use that data for reporting, backups, or migrating contacts to another system. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, tutorials, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.